Alright, I'm here. New restaurant. La Bella Italian Grill and Pizzeria. So, ordered the food online. I'm picking it up. Alright. Pretty nice in here. Hey. La Bella. Hey, here it is. It's a lot. So I got me an extra large pizza. I'll show you later. And I got a salad. Yeah, they already had it ready when I came in. So that's good. But they didn't even tell me when they ordered. They ordered at the house. And I was like, man, it's like already been 14 minutes past. So I heard them and drove over here. But yeah, it was already ready. Let me get back and try it out. Okay. So here's my salad. I asked them to put the, I went with the vinegar sauce. Put it on the side. I don't really eat the bread things. I don't know. I don't like eating the bread. But got a little salad. It's okay. Like, here's the size of my hand, right? Like, here's a measuring cup next to it. 2-cup measuring cup. So you can see the size of it. That was the house salad. Now, I think they have a bigger salad, but I think the bigger salad you get more. That's just the house salad. Here's the pizza. So let's see. So yeah, Italian sausage. I have to get Italian sausage on every pizza, and that's what I like. Got some black olives and bell peppers or green peppers. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for a little bit and try it out. All right, so I have my food in the oven just for a few minutes here, and also this is #1 in movies today, right? So ironic. I'm about to watch Nonna's, I don't know, Nonna's. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's an Italian restaurant movie, so got some actors in here, right? Some good actors in here, so got Suzanne, got Vince. But yeah, I'm gonna watch this, and I like cooking, right? So watch this while I eat the food. But I'll let you know how the food tastes. Wow, so here's a salad. There's a full bowl. It's actually quite a bit. So they just made it back, so it's actually quite a bit. I'm gonna stir it up a little. Yeah, I'll show you when I get upstairs. Pizza's almost warmed. So here's a salad with the vinegar dressing on it. Smells good. I usually don't put too much dressing, but I'm gonna try it out. So salad looks pretty good. It smells good with that vinegar. About to get the pizza out. Okay. Yeah, the slicers are big. I have 2 plates. For 4 slices, I did get a little chicken wing from the crock pot down there. Way too much food here, but I'll be full all day. So yeah, let me test out. So this one, I put some Parmesan cheese on that one, but this one is just plain. Let me see. You know, it's actually pretty good. I'm not saying it's like some crazy like New York style. I've never had New York pizza, but wow. I can't say if it tastes as good as Grimaldi's, because there is a Grimaldi's like in the area. There's like 2 Grimaldi's, but I mean, it's good. Yeah, man. I don't know. In terms of, I haven't tried all the other food. In terms of the pizza, I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. Maybe an 8. I mean, for what it is in the area. I mean, it's not a 10. But hey, it's something I can enjoy eating. So I do recommend La Bella Italian Grill. So you'll find more pictures online. Look them up. There's also one in Garland. Anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you.
Headshot.